You might have ordered some TIS or Dropstar wheels and were shocked to find some extra parts in the order that look like black spikes. Well, that's because they are. I'm Brandon with SD Wheel, and I want to tell you what to do if you get a box of accessory spikes in your order. First of all, these spikes only come with specific wheels and certain center caps. The 5 or 6 lug TIS 544s and the 5 or 6 lug Dropstar 655 have these really cool spikes included. However, the 8 lug versions do not come with the spikes. If you want that spike look, this is what you do. Check it out, it's super easy. See? Now you have that look that you paid for. Sweet, right? If you don't have these caps and you still want that look, you could still order the caps online for about 70 bucks each. Now, don't get these plastic spikes confused with metal spike lugs. They are totally different. Spike lugs actually hold your wheel onto your car like regular lugs. Spike lugs come in different colors and styles and even come with a dedicated tool to help get them on for you. We sell all sorts of spike lugs, so get a hold of us if you want that look on your vehicle. But back to the TIS spikes. Let's say you don't want that look. Now what do you do with these spikes then? Don't throw them away. I have really good news. Check it out. The top 5 ways you could use your free spikes. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, our customer service is always here to help or to give you creative ideas on how to use your spikes. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos on our SD Wheel YouTube channel or follow us on Instagram and Facebook.